Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to link eBay and PayPal. Let's get started. For this, you can use any browser that you like. Right now, I'm using Edge. Now search www.ebay.com over here. Then sign into your account. For that, tap on sign in over here. Tap on it. I'm skipping it for now. We can use pin, face, fingerprint for the sign in. Once you are logged in, tap on my eBay, which is just beside the notification icon, and this will take you to your account. Tap on account and this will open your account, and here you can see an option for payments. Tap on it, then scroll down. Now tap on add cards and account. Then you will be asked what you will use this payment method for. You can either choose checkout or auction and offer. I'm using it for checkout, so I'm tapping on checkout. Then tap on continue. Then you can see three options over here. Tap on PayPal, then tap on continue. Now enter your email address and password to continue. Then it will send an one-time code to your number. Copy it and paste it over here. Then fill all your PayPal information over here. Once done, tap on add, and after adding, it will link your PayPal account to your eBay. And that's how you link your eBay and PayPal account. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.